Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my look on the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Now, you guys know this palette has been out for a few years now, but this is coming in the Ipsy Glam Bag X for February of 2021. I asked you if you wanted to see me do an eyeshadow look with this so you can get some inspiration, because there are a lot of darker tones in this palette, and I happen to really like this palette. So I wanted to do that for you guys since a few of you did say yes, please show us a look. I am currently doing a wear test for the new Morphe foundation. Cannot wait to give you my thoughts on this thing. And then after I'm done with this video, I'm going to be doing a little review on this new Tarte 3 cheek palette that just came out. And then earlier I did a review on these new Ofra liquid blushes. So it's a very review heavy day, but I'm really excited to get into this palette and show you guys. So if you are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. I'll have all of my other reviews that are currently uploaded down below, or at least my more recent upload reviews on makeup. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already sitting here watching now, if you would just do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here's the palette. When you open it up, it comes with this little card insert, which is really cute. Ooh, I always keep it in here just because it is so cute. But here are all of the shades. I don't want to do like a super crazy look, so I'm going to do something pretty simple and then use one of these shimmer shades here, which are beautiful. So I am going to start out with this shade here, which is called Sandalwood. So I'm just going to work this shade into my crease just to, you know, give us a color to lay down. You guys know, you already know, we're just... If you've been watching my reviews forever, this is what we're doing. We're putting this color in the crease. Very beautifully pigmented. Did not take much time whatsoever to blend and look really good. Like 2.5 seconds. Now to darken it up, I'm going to take the shade Henna, which I've actually never used. And I'm going to apply it to the outer portion. See how it just blends on its own like so fast? Like effortless. Now to darken it up even more, I'm going to take this shade Cocoa, but I'm going to focus this color just below the other ones. Cute. Now for a lid shade, I'm actually going to swatch all these shimmers on my hand to show you what they look like, and then we will pick out a lid shade. Okay, so starting from this direction over, we have the shade Dubai here, Fling, Trust Fund, Rose Gold, Pink Diamond, 24K, hashtag Blessed. This one is Moon Dust, and this one is Bubbly. So which one do you think would look good on this eye over here? I think I'm going to take the shade hashtag Blessed. Now I'm going to take this darker shade Cocoa, and I'm just going to blend these two together. And then I'm going to take a Moon Dust on my inner corner of my eye. I'm going to take more of the shade hashtag Blessed and add it to the center so I don't lose that initial color. And now I'm going to apply that initial shade Sandalwood from the very first you know, color we put on the lid. And I'm just going to make sure it all is married and having a good time together. Here we go. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take henna in my outer lower lash line and then sandalwood in my inner lower lash line. And now just to kind of buffing that line out so it's not there. Okay, so now I'm going to do my other eye, do some liner, put on some lashes, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts as well as show you the final look. Okay, so here is the completed look. Also, who am I with these wings? This is the second time I've done winged liner and it just worked the very first time I did it. I think it's because I've been using the Tarte Sex Kitten liner with this little kitty cat on top, and it's just really stiff, so it's like easy to do. I don't know, but I really like this eyeshadow look. It's so pretty. I will also insert a photo in just a second of like another look I've done with this palette in videos that I know a lot of people were like, oh my god, what shadow are you wearing? And I was like, oh, it's this palette. So I'll show a photo in just a second so you can see it. But this is the eye look. Let me zoom you out and give you my, thoughts about the palette and whatnot, and then show you that look. Okay, I can't seem to find what videos I did, but it's when I had like the light color on my lids and like the bright pink just all like this. That was with that palette. But anyways, this is the final look. My final thoughts on this palette is that, it's a beautiful palette. Okay, obviously I've been away for like an hour because somebody came over, so the swatches have kind of rubbed off, but yeah, this is what my eyeshadow looks like an hour later. But I love this palette. It's beautiful. It definitely gives you, different vibes. You can do like a million different looks with this, honestly. Some neutral, some more pinky tones, berry tones, what have you. And then all of the shimmer shades are really pretty. Like, I absolutely love them. And it's honestly like great quality. You guys saw how like quick and easy it was just to blend and get this stuff going in like 2 seconds. So you could create like a really crazy look and have it blended in absolutely no time. So I'm very, very happy for those of you who was able to get the Glam Bag X to have the opportunity to try a really nice palette. I love this. And when I was decluttering makeup and my eyeshadow palettes, because I really don't have that many anymore, I got rid of my Modern Renaissance palette from ABH because it had a lot of these tones in it, but I prefer this one over that because there's just so much more, diversity with this one, so much more looks that you can do. And it's overall an amazing palette, and I'm so excited that you guys will have the opportunity to get it for those of you who dig a Glam Bag X, because this is a $65 palette, okay? It's expensive. I also want to mention that I am wearing Noella lashes in today's video. This is in the new style Blair, which is about to launch, and it's really, really pretty, by the way. But anyways, okay, so I'm going to end this video here. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I hope I gave you a little bit of some inspiration to use these shades, something that you can do with the palette. You can see that it's going to be really easy for you to work with. So I'm going to end the video. I'm going to do this little review, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!